Grand Tahoe's unique exterior combines Art Deco styling and sporty lines, accented by stainless steel railing elements. Inside, a fabulous, luxuriously appointed designer interior awaits, with features including a full entertainment area with refrigerator, sink, stainless drawers, and electric wine rack. This exquisite luxury and retro flair, combined with the industry's strongest hull, makes a powerful statement about the distinct character of its owner. Find your secret spot with the Tahoe Grand Tahoe.